Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A51. Today I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. Let's tap Settings and go to Display. Here we've got all display settings. We can change to dark mode and light mode. We can set brightness and turn on adaptive brightness. We can turn on Eye Comfort Shield and change screen mode. We can change font size and style. And we can set screen zoom. We can choose full screen apps. And we can turn on edge panels. We can adjust our navigation bar. And turn on accidental touch protection. And turn off this as well. Also, we can turn on touch sensitivity and turn it off. And the last thing is charging information. We can show it or not. We also have screensaver, when we can set screensaver for our phone. And that's all for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.